Assalamu alaikum, it's me Hadika Mughal. For the WordPress project, I have made a blogging site where I will do blogging regarding different issues like political issues, social issues, entertainment, news, etc. So the name of my website is Reveal Times. It is the front page or the home page of my website where you can see the first post or the blog of my blog site, that is the side effects of the coronavirus vaccine. Here is the category tab in which there are two more further pages or tabs, entertainment and news, and the next one is about us. First, let's explore this post. If I want to read the whole blog, I will click on read more button, so it will take me to the page where I can easily read the whole blog. So now from here I can read the blog. If I want to leave any reply, or as being a user, if I want to reply as a comment, I have to comment, or I have any queries, I can post over here. Like if I want to comment, it is a good blog. So by default my credentials are already written here. You can change it. I will click on save my name and I will then click on post comment. So my comment will be posted here. Now you can see that my comment is posted here with the time and the date. It is a good blog. Now let's explore the other pages. First of all, see this search tab here. Through this search tab you can search related to different blogs using keywords, and the recent post, this tab will show you about the recent posts that are posted on my blogging site. For suppose if I want to search any blog that is related to uh, news, so I will write news and press enter. It will show me the tabs related to news. In news tab I can see there are blogs related to Chairman Nab and Masiha season 2. These all are the news for me. So in category tab I will explore entertainment. In entertainment tab or on the entertainment page I can see there are the blogs like Malam Jabba winter sports, and about next blog is about the web series Masiha regarding its season 2. If I want to again explore it, I will click on read more button. So here from here I can now read the whole blog. If I want to move to the previous blog, I will click here from previous. If I want to move to the next blog, I will click here from the next. For suppose I click next, so it will take me to the next blog, that is about the Chairman Nab Javed Iqbal. So move to the category to the news. The blogs about the news is about like Pakistan Stock Exchange market, chairman. Again I can read it from here, so it will take me to the full exposure of the blog. Now let's go to the about us page. On about us page, it is about our website, who we are, how we handle it, and how we made it. It is all about it. So basically it was the front end, or you can say the home page, or the user page, user view of my blogging site. Now let's talk about the backend of the website. This is the WordPress dashboard. The theme which I have used for my website is Amphibious. Here you can see that it is active. Now I will talk about the plugins that I have used in my website. There are basically 6 plugins that are activated on my websites. You can see the contact form, Spicebox, WP blog and widget, etc. These are the plugins that I have used in my blogging site. From the post section I can see the post and control all the posts that are posted on my blogging site. Basically there are the one only post right now on my blogging site. I can just edit it, rewrite it, republish it, trash it, everything I can control from here. From blog section, there are various blogs present on my blogging site, so I can control them or handle them from here. These all are the blogs that I have already explored. From the pages section, it will tell me about all the pages that are present or are continue or activated on my blogging site. These all are the pages about articles, entertainment, etc. Now I have showed you that the comment I have posted on my blogging site as a user. Now from the admin side, how I can reply it. Basically this is the comment that I have posted as a user. It is a good blog. Now I can reply it as an admin by clicking on reply per keyword button. Let's say I type here thanks for visiting. I will click on approve and reply. So now my feedback has been given to the user. as an admin. I will show you how it will look like. Go to the home page. It was basically on this blog. Now at the downside, you can see here, this was my comment as a user, and this is the comment as an admin. So this is all about my blog site, the things I have used. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.